Oh, guys, I'm so nervous. Inventory. Yeah, I'm gonna need one of those. From falling. I'm gonna use these two. Okay, Y for done. Yes, I am sure that this is what I want to bring with me. Oh man, I'm nervous. I haven't done this level in a while. It says I'm missing, dude, am I even in a minecart this level? No, I have. Ooh. Oh, I grab it with the grabber one. So I have 2 puzzle pieces left. Huh. Oh my gosh, it already needed the stinking balloon. Oh yes, I am in a minecart. Here we go. Oh, I said it 3 times. Oh dear. Hey, I got it though. I'm like in here, but you know, whatever. Oh jeez. I am in a boat. Oh, I didn't go up. That's okay. This makes me like nervous, like what's gonna happen. Ah! Jump down. Like, ah! Okay. Oh, okay, it brought me right up. That's cool. I don't know how I got through there, but okay. I've never gotten through this level so fast before. That's not oh shoot, sorry. Oh! I was supposed to say I've never gotten through this so fast. I'm already at the very end. I know that. Oh, I see. So now it has... Oh, didn't it protect me from damage? That's why it lasted so long. Yeah, so now I have 2 more balloon lives. Without wasting a red balloon? Is that how that works? I'm like terrified here. Oh, shoot. No, I'm supposed to stay on... Okay. The trick with these platforms is really, really tough for me, but you're supposed to stay on the platform as long as... Oh my god. As long as... Now I lost the red balloon. You're supposed to stay on those little moving platforms as long as you possibly can. I just apparently did a really bad job at doing that. Whoops. Oh, I fell again. Okay, wow, my streak has not been so hot, huh? Okay, jump, 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 jump! Jump. Technically, I could have jumped there, but I just chose not to because I've already gotten that one. I don't want it. And jump. And jump. And jump. Oh! Really?
Mama, you fall?
I did fall. Don't punch me right now. This is not the time. Yep, he got hurt, but he's fine. See, he's back. He is. See, Donkey Kong's fine. Oh, I didn't go down fast enough. Whoops. And jump. And jump. And jump. Woo! Okay, and jump. Ah! Oh, man. Wow. I did fall. I really did. No, he's okay. I like how now it's like, yeah, you don't need any more green balloons. It's fine. You don't deserve them. Rude. Oh my god, this is like painful. Jump. And jump. And jump. And jump. Okay. Now I need to do jump. No! Why is it not? Yeah, I'm falling. I think next time I'm going to use my arrow or my joystick, my left joystick, to like keep him moving forward when I jump towards the giant owl. Or get all these coins and bananas. And jump. And jump. And jump. Okay, move forward. Forward button. Ooh, good. Oh, good. Okay. So I got across this one. Oh. Now I will say I'm ending it here. But I could have gotten into a mystery one. Did I get any new? Okay, so I got one more puzzle piece. Where did that puzzle piece